Hi guys, I want to show you this type of condenser unit. This one, as you see here, the compressor is 25 horsepower. This type of condenser unit is called V-type. So it's, if you say it here from this side, so it's like English letter V. So it's called V. It's used for the large compressor horsepower. So this one is 25. Like after 25, 28, 30, 35, 40, it prefers to use this type of condenser unit. Why? Because the condenser is bigger actually compared with the H-type. So if you open this condenser, you can see it's even bigger. So I just give you a very quick introduction for this condenser unit. So this one, what makes it special is it's very safe. You can just even close it, you know, you can put it outside and just close it, you know. So it's very protected. You can protect it for anyone, any animals or anything go inside or can't take anything inside. So that's the better things about it. But how it is work, I show you now how it is work. It's exactly the same as H-type. So this part here, this one is suction line. The evaporator suction the gas from here, the compressor. Or I can show you very close now. So when the gas come to the compressor is low pressure and low temperature, and the gas compressor compress it and then move it to the here. This is discharge line, high pressure, high temperature. This you touch it when it's working is super hot. And this is if there is any evaporator, stick it, then go to the oil separator. If there is any oil, there is also pipe. See this side, it goes to the back to the compressor here. So oil is very important. Without oil, we need to lubricate the compressor, otherwise it will broken down. And then back go to the condenser. So that is for the today. And we have liquid receiver this side as well. We have pressure control, filter, sonolite valve, side glass, all the parts you can be. This can be added. What the main idea of this video is just to show you this type of condenser unit. This type, you can see, you can just close it. It's very good protector, and it's used for the higher HP. This is the materials can be different. It can made from stainless steel, made for aluminum, copper. This is custom made, guys. And even if you close it this side, if you close it, you still can see the oil pressure, high pressure, low pressure with this gauge here.